Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Cardano coin, or rather the ADA coin, on your Trust Wallet application step by step. Okay, first of all, we're going to be opening up Google Chrome, and the Cardano coin or the ADA coin is already opened up. I'll be pasting the link in the description of the video. We're simply going to be clicking on this copy icon here. You click on copy, you minimize and head over to your Trust Wallet application like so. We're going to be clicking on the toggle icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once we're here, we're going to be searching for Cardano. And the Cardano token is here. I'll just deactivate this for now and click on add custom token for those who don't have the ADA or the Cardano coin listed. You click on Smart Chain. You paste the contract address. Hold on. You paste the contract address, Cardano token. You click on done. It shows up. You click on the toggle to the right. You click on that. And here your Cardano is. Okay, so there are two methods of purchasing the Cardano token by simply clicking on buy ADA. Okay, it's not available. Purchasing the Cardano is not available. Okay, so what we're going to do now is simply head over to the app section at the bottom right corner of the screen. We'll be using an exchange platform known as PancakeSwap for this exchange, seeing as Cardano cannot be swapped or bought manually. Would have to go through an exchange platform. Okay, it's loading up. Yes, it's the wrong network, Smart Chain. Okay, and Smart Chain is opened up. What you're going to do before you make any transactions here, simply click on this wallet icon here and you make sure your wallet is connected like so. My wallet is connected, that's why we can see the disconnect icon or option. You head over to the icon of cake, that's CAKE, cake. You click on it and you paste the contract address for the ADA coin, the Cardano coin. You paste it. It shows. You click ADA. And now what we're going to do now is simply convert at least minimum some amount of BNB into the ADA coin. And okay, PancakeSwap is taking some time. We'll be using BNB or BUSD, much more preferable. 1 BUSD, we'll be using 25% of that. Okay guys, and I've selected BUSD, and what we're going to do now is simply input 1 BUSD and we'll be getting 2.5383 to ADA or Cardano token, and we can simply enable BUSD where a smart contract call comes up. Once you approve of this smart contract call, you'd be given the opportunity to click on swap, and that is how you simply purchase your ADA coin or Cardano token by simply swapping. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to buy the ADA coin onto your Trust Wallet. Thank you.